Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Adobe Photoshop if it's not opening on Windows 11. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you gotta find Photoshop right here on your search bar. Now, you gotta want to right click on it and then just click on Open File Location. Again, right click on it and open file location. Now, we are under the Photoshop's directory. So as you can see here, we have Photoshop.exe. So just go ahead and right click on it and click on Properties. Now go to Compatibility right here. Disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Hit on Apply, hit on OK. Once that's done, just double click on it and check if it helps. Okay. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead and go to the top of this folder. All right, scroll all the way up, find plugins. Now, if you have multiple plugins right here, just create a new folder right here on your desktop. Just name it plugins backup. Okay, hit on enter. Move everything from this folder to this folder. Or you could just go ahead and delete them all and install all of your plugins fresh. Okay, so in my case, I'm just going to go ahead and delete all. Continue. Wait a bit. Now close this one. Go ahead and launch Photoshop and check if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead and find your search bar again and type down Windows Defender Firewall right here. So if you have it located, just click on it and then go ahead and click on Allow an app through Windows Defender Firewall. And then in here, just find Photoshop. Okay. If you can't find it, go ahead and click on Change Settings right here at the top. And go ahead and click on Allow another app. Click on Browse. Now you should be landed under Adobe Photoshop. If not, just go ahead and find it under what? Program Files, then Adobe Photoshop here. Okay, so go ahead and add it in Photoshop.exe. Click on it, make sure that is highlighted, and then just click on Open. In here, as you can see, it has now been added. Just click on Add and click on OK. As you can see here, it says Adobe Photoshop 3 is already added. So let's just go ahead and find it. Adobe Photoshop right here. So just make sure that both private and public are both ticked. Okay, check. Once that's done, just click on OK. Close. Finally, just restart your computer. After that, just launch Photoshop and everything should work perfectly fine. Now, that is it. That is how you fix Adobe Photoshop. It's not opening on Windows 11. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.